Okay guys, welcome back to Smarter R. So welcome to another data extraction tutorial. Today we will be focusing on extracting data from the CMORPH climate data record CDR. So how this tutorial I will show you how to download and how to extract CMORPH rainfall data by using R. So the data can be accessed to the provided link, and we will walk through the process step by step. So let's get started. So this is the link to download the CMOP data. So you have, this is NCEI NOAA website. You can go here, use this link, and then this dataset, this website will be open. So you have NOAA Climate Data Record CDR of CPC mapping technique, CMOPS, High Resolution Global Precipitation Estimates, version 1. So this is the latest one. The detail will be given here. So to download this data, you go to down here, download data, down here. So go to NCEI direct download. So I will open another tab here. So it will go down here. There's parent directory, go to access. And then for me, I will download daily data. They have 30-minute data and hourly data, but I will use daily data. So they have 0.25 degree resolution, spatial resolution. And then they have from 1998 to 2023. So this is the range of the data that they have. So if you want to download daily data, go to all the data you must download each month and each day individually. So you can just download here, click it, it will download. So for me, it take me for like 2 days to download all of this data from 1998 to 2023. But if you have more people, more human resources, maybe you can download in 1 day or a matter of hours. So you need your friend to help you to download this data because you need to download it every day. But let's see, the 30-minute data is even more. It has 8 kilometer. You see, there has more 30-minute data for every day. So this one is every day. You can download similarly every day. This is every hour. Actually, every hour for every day. If you want to download 30-minute data or or hourly data, the resolution is the same, 0.25. So you can download this one, hourly data. You see, every day. Yeah, you need to every day. So you need to download every hour. Click one by one. So this is manually how you can download the data. If you have no any other way to download this data, just let me know. So that is where you can download the data. Now I will show you the code how to extract that data. So I have downloaded the data. This is my data set actually from 1998 to 2023. There's a lot of data here in here, but I will use just data test to test the extraction for this tutorial. So I have 1998 January data for 1 month in January here. I put it in my data test folder here. So first, you must prepare your grid point if you want to extract the data, because you want to know which grid point you want to extract the data. So I have this grid point to extract the data. Yeah, it's 0.225 degree gridded in Peninsula Malaysia. So I have 178 grid point. So you can put any grid point that you have, a gridded one, gridded data for LED and long. So I show you here. This is the input data for gridded file, CSV file. Prepare this data first for LED and long, and you have which area you want to extract the data for this CMOP. So first, let's see. Now we have downloaded the data and we have prepared the data. So now let's start by clearing the workspace and loading the necessary libraries for our data extraction process. So here, this code is to clear the workspace. I run this one, so it's okay. Now install the library. You will need a raster library and NCDF4 raster library. to download to use for this for extraction. So run this raster library and then run nscdf for library. Okay, not a problem. Now read the latitude and longitude file, which is PM grid just now, this one, data. You can put it in our code, set working directory, copy our here, our address file here, address folder. Here, copy address folder and put it in here. And then you can put double line here. And then you will read your folder. After you read your folder, now you read the file, read the latitude and longitude file. So you put, you read the latitude and longitude file just now. So you already read it. Read this file, PM grid, with this read CSV file. So if we view the file, it will show you our data just now. So this is the let long. You can see, I'll show you again. So this is the let long of the data, 173 grid point in Peninsula Malaysia. So you view it, so the data is already there. And then you put PTY, and PTX, which is the let and long of the grid just now. So for Y, which is let, it will be PT1, and then X, which is long, PT2. Okay, now we have this is let, this is long. Okay, now it's okay. Now set the working directory for the folder containing the CMORPH CDR NC file just now. So we set the working directory similarly, but I put my data test just now here in this folder. Copy this address where I put the NC file to be extracted. Put it here in the set working directory. Make sure there is double line here, double line, and then run it. Okay, I get the NC file. Now list the file in the current directory and display the current time. You use this code, list.file path dot. This will list the file in the current directory and display the current time. Okay, so the current time today is this one. So this is it will list everything here from start to finish. So we don't need to read one by one the file. So we use this code list.file for this part in the set working directory for the data test just now, and then it will read all the data set, all the NC file here in the data test. And then we use loop to each of the NC file, extract data for the provided let long points. So, and concatenate the result. Okay. And then after we extract it, and then we pile the result together. So here we loop the NC file. We extract it by using the Peninsula Malaysia grid point that we prepare. It will prepare each of the grid point. It will extract based on the grid point that we use, and we use this loop. So F1 just now in one length FF1. So we use R is R brick F1 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 and round it so that the decimal point will be 2. Using decimal point 2, extract the R by using matrix of by using the matrix of the let long just now, PTX and PTY. That's why we define PTY and PTX here just now with column 1 and column 2 for let and long. So we extract based on that grid point. Okay, if F1 is equal to that, Hz, and then use this code, F1 is higher than 1, that's Hz, and then we bind the data. And then close the loop, and then we run it. As you see, I run it. So it's very fast because I just used the test data, but if the data set is very, very huge, it will take some time, but it will finish. It's okay. Now I set the working directory to the output folder and write the extracted data to CSV file. So this is the working directory where I want to put my extracted data. So I already extract it by using this loop. Now I want to extract it in this folder. I put a new folder for the extracted data here. So it will be the extract folder. And then I write the CSV for the output by in the CSV file. So I write the output. Now it run. So this is the output data. I open it. So this is the output data for January 1998. You see all the data has been extracted for all the grid point, 178 grid point in Peninsula Malaysia. So this is daily data, daily rainfall data of CMORPH file for each grid point. So V1 to V1 to V178 up here is actually the grid point here, grid point of late long. So we have V1 until V178. Okay, that is for today's tutorial on extracting data from the CMORPH climate data record. You have learned how to set up your environment, read file, extract data, and you also how to download the data just now and save it for further analysis. So feel free to adapt this process for other data sets. Thank you for watching and happy coding. So don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, and if you have any question, put it in the comment below. Thank you for watching.